Okay, moment of truth. I've been shooting with my Yashica Mat-124G, and now it's time for the part that honestly makes me the most nervous. Unloading the film. One wrong move, and weeks of photos could be ruined. First, I'll check the frame counter. Mine's at 13. That's good. If it's not at least 12, don't open it. You'll ruin your shots. Next, I wind the crank until it feels completely loose. I flip it over and pop the back. And there it is, the finished roll right on the top. You pull out the tab and pop it out. How do I seal the roll? They say to lick the tab, but I don't see any glue on it. Luckily, there's this little Ilford tag stuck to the camera that says exposed. Is that normal? I guess I'll just use it to wrap the roll shut for now. I'll find a rubber band. I don't think I messed up. But did I do anything wrong? Let me know in the comments below. And come back for a photo reveal. I can't wait to share what this first roll captured.